Well, just out here at the grandparents' pond, they just dyed their water blue, so that's always different. Just hooked up with the first little greenie of the day. Nice little 4-incher. Hopefully a bass follows him out. Hey, pretty release, pretty release. Well guys, just caught another little sunfish. Just a baby though. Oh, he choked it. Gosh, it's hard to get the choke took out. Well, I'm gonna go get my needle nose. Get the release. Oh my gosh, horse is having some major issues over there. Guys, hooked up into another little greenie. There's so many of these little things in here. It's so fun to catch them. Hey, he's probably the biggest of the day, if not one of them. Pretty release on that little guy. Let's get back and catch some more. Alright guys, hooked into another greenie. Ooh, this one's the best of the day. He's probably 6 or 7 inches. Probably 6 inches. Get a little release. There he goes. Oh my gosh. Chill, horse. Alright guys, that quick. It was the next cast, I swear, and I hooked up with another one. This guy ate it a little better too. Uh-oh, I hooked him in the tongue. Let me get out my needle nose for this guy. I swear, there's a school of them. There has to be a school of these little greenies. Look how pretty this guy is. He looks like a peacock bass. Oh my gosh. Chill, horse. How many times am I gonna have to say it? Oh guys, I just hooked up into a big, well, he's not big. He's the biggest of the day, but he's a pretty little green sunfish. Hey! Hey, there you go. I'm gonna get a quick picture with this guy. He's pretty. Guys, I hooked up into another. Oh no, he's going in the brush. Oh gosh, this is he's a decent one. This guy is eating size right here. Look at this pretty guy. Hold on, let me grab him. Just like that. These aren't the same fish either. Dang, these things are biting good today. I'm gonna get another picture with this pretty guy. Alright guys, now that we've had a little fun with the little green sunfish in here, we're gonna try to go for a bass in here with this little crawfish Rapala husky jerk. So we'll see how this little fella does. Guys, hooked up into another one. Hey, there he goes. Quick release, quick release. Got another one. Oh, this one's fighting good. It's just a baby though. I'd give this guy a good solid 4.5 or 5 inches. See? Bye-bye. Got one. He's just a little baby, I betcha. Yeah. Swing him over. Oh, he's bigger than the last one. Ow. I give him a good 5.5 inches. Whee. Got another one. Back-to-back cast. Hey, he's about the same size. He has pretty spots though. Uh-oh, he choked it. Ah, he fell on the ground. Alright guys, just hooked up with what looks and feels to be like another keeper. Green sunfish. I don't know if this guy will make it. Oh yeah, keeper. Keeper, 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 keeper. He cranked that little hair jig. I like this. Let's get a measurement. Oh yeah. 9, looks like 9 1/4. Over 9 inches. That's a good fish right there. Hey guys, I got one. Oh, come on. I thought it was a bass the way it hit it. Dang it. Man, just switched up to a zoom crawl. He hit it like a bass, so that's all I was. But hey, a fish is a fish. Thank you, Lord, for allowing me to catch that little greenie. Oh guys, just got another little baby. Okay, little guy. Guys, I just caught another little guy. This is a baby. I'd give 4.5 inches. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to hurt you. Here, go little guy. There you go. Hey, got one. This is probably one of the smallest of the day. And you got him off. Uh-oh, my line. Okay, there guys, got another one. This one. Hey, there we go. There's a guy. Bye-bye. Oh, guys. Well, I hooked up into another one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at how fat he is. He's been feeding on minnows, you can tell, because his teeth are really sharp. That's probably a good 8.5 inches. I'm going to measure him just for poops and giggles. Throw my phone out, get my measuring tape, set him down. Oh wow, almost 9.5. That's a good greener. Hey guys, look, I just caught probably a 2.5 incher. He's cute though. Uh-oh. There we go. He's pretty, huh? Yeah! Guys, you wouldn't believe what I just found. Okay, so I got this last school year, right? So I was fishing here with it on an overcast day just like today, and I lost a huge bass. The knot came undone, and I lost a huge bass on it. And I was just walking. I thought it was a dead fish right there, and it was just sitting there on the bank. No way. That's awesome. Okay. I haven't done an update since I found that lure, but I lost a bass. He broke my line, so I had to retie on another jig. So, just caught another little guy. Alright guys, got another little baby. Just a little baby. Bye-bye.